Give them can me a rooster crow. The brass clamp bury to storm a blow.
Bossy, can't see Musta dog and make no foul play. You get calm without the flakes, so just a lick man don't play. How you mean we not the same? We couldn't ever be the same.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Me see a screenshot a circulate on the internet and it looks to me like it was a screenshot from an Instagram story. Me don't know the person who post the story and me don't even know how recent this story is. But Jaja, people can say wicked, and me ask if people can say wicked. Me really attack the person who post that and also the person that the post was about. Yes, the post was about Alkaline and him father. And me I tell you, it's so on a way. It definitely no look good. On the other side of things, we see Intence celebrating birthday the other day in a style. The man drop a brand new track and the track is currently trending number 20 or 21 thereabout on YouTube. But we see Iwaata make a few posts, basically bigging up Intence and just showing some respect towards a fellow G pandem birthday. But Intence ignore Iwaata post. And not just that Intence ignore Iwaata post, but Intence further go on him story and him say something what we definitely have to talk about. But before we go into further details and show you the screenshot of what Intence posted and also the screenshot that is circulating about Alkaline and his father, may I ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You reach this far in the video, so please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get straight into it.
Medieval line, the highlight, medieval line fame. Stuck in my wings, mama still couldn't ever be seen.
So up first, we see that screenshot here circulate on the internet about Alkaline and something surrounding his father. And this is what the person said. Alkaline, we rate you as our artist, but why you treat your father Earl Bartley like shit with a question mark? And the moment me read that, me I say, yo, this not sound good. Me don't like which part this I go. But me say, watch you know, me I go read more just to see what exactly the person have to say. But the person continue by saying, your father is suffering and you know it. So then basically I say, yo, Alkaline father has suffer and him know it. And this is not no rocket science. No matter which part Alkaline there, no matter which part you there in the world, if your father or mother has suffer, you are gonna know. If you not talk to them, you are gonna know. And if you talk to them, you also are gonna know. The person continue by saying, they stole Earl's bike. He doesn't even own a decent cell phone. This is very disgraceful, Alkaline. So when the person write that now, me I say, yo, this is someone trying to get at Alkaline. Them could have easily private message him, send him a DM and tell him, say, brother, you need to step up your game, my youth. You can't make your father live like this. But them decide, say, watch you know, them are going to tear down Alkaline by posting it on the internet. But you know, done this so. Them continue by saying, why you hate your father so much with another question mark? This is a shame and disgrace how you treat Earl, your daddy, like a garbage. That's how the person end it, and them also have an exclamation mark at the end. And when me read it, me I say, yo, me personally nah go believe this. You see the thing where a lot of people not understand. You see enough time you make it out of poverty and them decide say them won't help them people don't want the help. And even when them help them people, it reach a point where them basically have to stop. Because no matter what, them can build a big house or buy a big house to them mother or them father. Them mother and father, if them used to a certain lifestyle, them not go live in another big house there. Them will take every little money them can get for go to the little bar there, the little go-go club there, the party there. Just something to maintain them lifestyle. But if it's a case where this is true and Alkaline not doing anything to help his father and the situation that he's in, then me I tell you it don't look good for Alkaline. We know say most people them have a different place in them heart for them mother. The man sing about him mother all the while. In fact, me nah go say a one time him sing about him father, you know. but I can only recall one time when him really, I think in a Ocean Wave, he mentioned something about him daddy. But remember one time when he really come out in defense of him father, and it was during the clash between him and Squash, when Squash said this.
Give them call me a rooster crow. The grass clap me with the storm a blow.
When Squash said that, Alkaline replied by saying this. And when Alkaline replied to him and said that him forward again in a Ocean Wave and make them know say yo, him never have no choice, him see him father lay off and have no work, so him did have to turn a man from this. So that again show the people and make the people them know say yo, him a forward from a poor and a humble beginning, a poor background. You understand? So there is no way him a go take himself out of poverty, take him sister out of poverty, and I assume him take him mother out of poverty too, and left him father in it. No, you no need to understand too. Sometimes some family member as close as your mother and your father can be real shake up. You understand? And them are gonna make it look like you know do nothing for them. Sometimes you give them millions on top of millions and them squander it and the one will heap of foolishness and broke and people are gonna see them a road and a suffer and see you not do nothing for them when them don't know the story.
Mix with the ginseng, a bag of dead face in my ripped jeans. Yo, me down away the 50.
And me I go say this again to the person who post this pandem story. It obvious say you not hide. No, you could have make Alkaline alone know this. You could have make Alkaline alone see this. You could have text him, send him a DM and make him know. Make him ignore you or tell about your mother. You understand? But you putting it out like that, you definitely I try to tear down the artist. And this is Jamaicans. This is human beings. And so them stay. Them feel like say them a help a situation or probably feel like say if you do this Alkaline and go do something which it probably can work. But why you not even say that about Alkaline sister, which me don't know if them have the same father. But if them do have the same father, you have to know say she and make basically big bucks or close the same bucks like what Alkaline and make. So just because Alkaline are the big name, which is why you do what you do. But Alkaline, you need to look in at the situation. And if something goes off for real, you have to do something about it. On the other side of things now, Intence celebrating birthday the other day and him released a brand new track titled Ring, and to me it is a hit song. Typical Intence, you always expect say yo, them artists they are gonna push out good music, push out a nice little video with it and just have a vibe. Another go on. We say Iwaata now, oh back then him and Intence did come in like a duo. You can't see one and not see the other. We see him make a post on him Instagram story and him say yo, them have to watch the press or the Benz pan the main and post a screenshot of Intence song. That also what him say as the caption is also something that was said in the song. Him go back again and well before that him post up a few pictures with him and Intence from way back when. From when Intence never so brown, from when Iwaata just start growing here. And as me say, him just post a few pictures from them time they forward up until now. And the caption for the picture them said, more life and more hits in my father. Bless up upon the earth strong. And him tag Intence. Now the moment him tag Intence, me decides, yo, me I go run go over Intence page to see if him reshare anything, you know. Me go over there, me no see him do nothing. Me say alright, me I go run go back over Iwaata page just to see what go on in the comment section if Intence make a comment or anything like that. Me no see nothing like that. And said speed me I say yo, a good while now, you know, me I wonder and ask, is Intence and Iwaata cool? A lot of people say yes, a lot of people say no. In my opinion, it look like say yo, there is something between the two and they are not as close as how they were before, and it obvious. You know see the two of them a make step again like how them used to make step. One or yes, me know say them are two different individual, but one over there so the next one over there so, and everything is just not the same as how it was before, which is why I've been asking the question. So after me didn't know me I say no man like something I go on. Me there in the evening and me see Intence post this. Well, I'm a dog them and me dog them from day one. No run in a people cause me sister them a pagan. And when him said that, me I say, yo, wonder if people actually a reach out to him and a bash him or people a settings. I say, yo, why you ignore Iwaata or if you are Iwaata good and all of them thing there. Why him forward and I make them know. Say, yo, me day one dog them, I still me dog them, but guess what, me not gonna run in at them cause me say, yo, people corrupt. Probably at that him I say, you know, yes, me and the nigga good, we alright, but we not strong like as how we used to strong before. I mean, I gonna run up in on nobody. You see me? So that prompt me to check the people them where Iwaata follow and the people them where Intence follow. Cause me decide say, yo, me really want to know what really a go on. And me notice say, yo, them no follow each other. Intence no follow Iwaata on IG. Iwaata no follow Intence. So that make me come to the conclusion and I say, yeah man, there is something. Me don't know if I trick them, I trick the crowd, and me don't know how long this a go on, how long them not follow each other, but it obvious. Something no right between the two. But you can leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. You know, believe say yo, Alkaline father really a suffer the way how them say him a suffer. And you know, believe say yo, Alkaline just nah help him and him just a move like a waste man. Let's just put it at that. If it is true. Also, when you feel like say Intence and Iwaata good, or you feel like say yo, there is something really a go on between the two. Anyway, if you are a subscriber, have a wonderful day. Bless up on yourself.
How you mean we not the same? We couldn't ever be the same.